1966, Satsrup Das, he was working for the Social Security Department in New York City. It's a white-collar job. Pant and shirt and tie and everything. 9 to 5. Welfare Department, Social Security. And then he met Prabhupada, he got initiated, he had to shave his head. And he said, Prabhupada, I don't think I can wear tilak at work. They'll go crazy. They think it's the mark of the devil. He said, Prabhupada, I can't wear the tilak when I go to the office. They'll kill me, they'll fire me. They'll terminate my employment, to make it more exact. They will terminate my employment at their institution, which is called, they'll fire me. He said, do it. Jai Gurudev. So Satsrup Maharaj, when he met the owner, the chief executive, whoever it was, and his boss, he said, sir, this is my religion. This is part of my religion. And as soon as he said, this is part of my religion, then his boss folded his hands. I'm sorry, excuse me, please forgive me. I didn't realize it's your religion. Because that type of respect is there in America. So he said, all right, you wear it every day. So every day he wore tilak. Gatana agatana patiyasi shakti. Gatana agatana patiyasi shakti. Krishna has the power to make the Krishna has the power to make the impossible possible. And he also has the power to make the possible impossible.